Welcome, grade 8s, to No More Hard Maths. Today, we're looking at common mistakes learners make when working with algebraic expressions and equations. If algebra feels confusing, chances are you're making one of these mistakes, and that's okay. Let's fix them, right? Mistake number one is thinking a letter means a word, right? So we have x plus 5. One common mistake is thinking that the letter means a word, like X means apples. In algebra, a letter simply represents a number we don't know yet. X is not a word, it's a number, right? It's a number that we do not know yet. It's a question mark, it's an unknown number. Mistake number two, it's adding unlike terms. So we have 2x plus 3, and learners will add these two and say 5x. This is wrong. Another big mistake is adding unlike terms. You cannot add 2x and 3 because one has a letter and the other does not. Only like terms can be added. So when we write this, we will have it as just 2x plus 3, and it cannot be simplified further because these are unlike terms. Mistake number 3 is forgetting the number in front of the letter, right? So we have x plus x. Some learners forget that x has a number in front of it. X actually means 1x. So x plus x is not x. It is not x. This is wrong. It is 2x. So that's the answer in this case. And remember, a number in front of the x is called a coefficient. Then we have mistake number 4 is changing signs incorrectly. So we will be given x minus 3 is equals to 7. Another mistake is changing signs incorrectly. So if we subtract 3 from x, we must add 3 to remove it, not subtract again. And then it will be solved correctly. So what we do to the right, what we do to the left, we must do to the right. So in this case, we're going to say x minus 3, and to remove it, we say plus 3. And then on the other side, we will say plus 3. And these two will cancel off, and it will just be x is equals to 10. That is basically what it explains. And that's how you will know how to change the signs, because whenever you work with equations and you move the number to the other side, the sign will always change. Mistake number 5 is thinking an expression can be solved. So we have 2x plus 5. Some learners try to solve expressions, but an algebraic expression does not have an equal sign, so it cannot be solved. Only equations can be solved. And then mistake number 6, rushing and guessing. The biggest mistake is rushing and guessing, because I know grade 8, you have a fear for maths, and when you have a fear for maths, you will rush and guess. Algebra needs you to slow down, work step by step, and think logically. Right, now this brings us to the end. Remember, most algebra mistakes happen because learners rush or don't understand the basics. If you understand what expressions and equations are and you work step by step, algebra becomes much easier. And also grade 8s, if you're struggling with algebra or any maths topic, please reach out and we will tackle it together. We have our WhatsApp number in the bio. We offer affordable topic specific classes and topic packs to help you practice and improve. Follow for more grade 7 to 9 maths explained simply. Thank you, grade 8s. Enjoy maths.